Sunday, June 27th. I'm Gary Libitor. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Hannah today. And boy, Eric, it's been coming down pretty heavy in the past hour.
Yes, overnight downpours as well. We're tracking a bit of a drier conditions heading into the evening hours and afternoon hours as well. Rainfall amounts are closing in on an inch in some areas as well. But looking ahead towards this afternoon and evening, the rainfall looks to end as we head into the evening hours as well. The live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Dry conditions in some areas out to the west, but if you look on a radar right now, mainly some heavier downpours further out to the east of Utica right now and still out to the east of Hamilton as well. A little bit further west of Norwich, looking to dry out. The cold front is actually further out to the west right now. We're still tracking additional rainfall totals happening until the next couple of hours before that cold front moves through. Rainfall totals updated right now. Woodgate almost close to an inch, as well as Old Forge, Westmoreland with 0.87 inches. Colebrook already over an inch, with Herkimer checking in with 0.8 inches as well. Right now it's currently raining 72 degrees in the Utica-Rome region. Our weather headlines: if you're raining and storms will be ending this morning. It will be dry this afternoon, pretty pleasant as well. Humidity looks to break after the cold front moves through. Tracking less humid weather continuing as we head into the early part of this week. Today, highs in the 70s, AM showers. The PM looks partly cloudy, a bit breezy. We're breaking down your full forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Decision 2022 early.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. The story right now is scattered showers and a few intense showers as well are still in our area right now, looking to dry out as we head into the late morning and early afternoon. Tracking nicer weather as we head in the afternoon and evening hours, as well as a nice week ahead. Just a live look at our Marabito Tower camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. Overcast skies with a few downpours. Currently, we see some overcast skies in the Oneonta region. Now, take a look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of pretty much heavy downpours, especially out towards the Little Falls area and right in between the border of Shenango and Otsego County. Now, this is producing locally heavy rainfall, but still some of these areas still seeing some additional rainfall as well. The actual cold front is still out to the west here. This is this line of rainfall. Now, after this, you can see the humidity break pretty significantly as you're tracking the end of rainfall arriving later on this morning. Take a look at our comfort index, the ideal spot of perfect conditions being in the middle. Looking ahead towards today and later on tonight, looking to fall into much more drier and cooler conditions heading into tonight. So overall, we have a few hours this afternoon where it's looking like to be temperatures in the 70s with dry conditions, ideal conditions for a beautiful afternoon. Around the clock today, we start out in the 60s. We'll warm up not too quickly into the 70s and remain in the low 70s throughout the most of the afternoon. The big story, too, is a pretty much breezy day today. Temperatures rising to the 70s as well, but breezy conditions between 15 to 20 mile-per-hour winds. Weather grades: after some rain showers in early morning hours, look to dry out with increasing sunshine throughout the afternoon and evening hours. The bigger picture, we have the cold front slowly moving across our area right now. This is going to bring some cooler and drier air from the west, bringing temperatures still on the more mild side. I mean, it will be temperatures in the 70s, but overall a lot cooler compared to 90s that we saw yesterday. Now, there's moving into the east as we head into the next couple of days, but still, we have a very strong blocking high pressure still making these storms move very slowly as they move across our area. Now, looking ahead, the rain showers look to end. We're tracking much more beautiful conditions, mainly temperatures in the low 70s as we head into the next couple of days. Starting out this morning, those rain showers look to end. The cold front moves through and the humidity breaks, seeing some more sunshine, highs in the low 70s. Tracking a few sprinkles as we head into early morning hours on Tuesday. This is looking to be primarily just in higher elevations. Now, temperatures are going to fall into the 50s. We're tracking another nice day on Tuesday. Temperatures rising into the low 70s once again. We're tracking additional rain showers heading into Wednesday afternoon. This could be producing a lot more cloudy conditions compared to rainfall, but still, we're still tracking a few isolated, very weak showers, possibly a few thunderstorms as well, keeping an eye on that as we head the next couple of days, as we head into Wednesday. Tonight, lows in the 50s, mostly cloudy skies, winds in the a little bit less gusty as well, but overall, a beautiful day today, as well as tomorrow, highs in the 70s, probably cloudy skies. A bit less breezy, our 7-day forecast. Looking ahead, our cooler temperatures remain for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. A few showers is possible as well on Wednesday. We warm back up again into the 80s on Thursday and Friday for next chance of rain showers as we head into Saturday. Over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Groups on both sides.
Back, if you're searching for sunshine, this week is looking to be a great week for sunshine. After scattered showers this morning, we'll look to dry out and see some sunshine this afternoon and evening hours as well. Heading to Tuesday as well, seeing some sunshine. We return to more cloudy skies, a few isolated showers heading into Wednesday before we return to much more sunny conditions as we head into Thursday. Rainfall outlook after the morning hours, we look to dry out once again as we head into later on this evening. Tuesday is looking dry. Once again, a few isolated rain showers are possible as we head into Wednesday, and looking dry once again as we head into Thursday and Friday, a mostly dry week this week. Our wind outlook, it's going to be pretty much breezy today. Wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. We look to be a lot less breezy as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday throughout the rest of the week. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Once again, Russia is now using airstrikes on you. Lipitor meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Hannah and joins us now to help us all plan our Monday ahead. And right now, it's kind of rainy.
Yeah, pretty much rainy overall, but good news ahead. After a couple of hours of rain showers, looking to dry out, seeing some sunny skies, temperatures rising into the low 70s, definitely a little bit cooler and less humid compared to yesterday. Highs in the 90s. It was pretty warm yesterday.
It was pretty warm.
So a bit of a relief for those who don't like the high temperatures. We're cooling down into the 70s today, but here's a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Locally heavy rainfall, especially out west of Utica right now, specifically in between the border of Chenango and Otsego County, the southern part of Herkimer County as well, mainly in, a little bit out east of Winfield. North of Richfield right now, mainly this area right here is still seeing some heavier rainfall. We're still tracking the end of the rain showers out to the west as cold front is still west of Syracuse right now. We're looking to see the end of rain showers as that pushes through in our area the next couple of hours. Updated rainfall totals, we are over an inch in two parts of the area now. Woodgate over an inch, Colebrook almost an inch and a half of rainfall total. Definitely much needed rain. A lot of our area did not see a lot of rainfall in the past couple of days, especially for the past couple of weeks. So definitely much needed rainfall. Current temperature is 72 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with rainfall right now. Weather headlines, rain and storms will be ending this morning. We're going to be dry this afternoon with sunny skies as well. Less humid weather continues throughout the next part of the next couple of days. Today, high in the 70s with AM showers. Our PM looks partly cloudy skies, a bit breezy. Your full forecast is coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. South Africa is in.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. The sunrise this morning will be covered by mostly cloudy skies, additional rain showers, scatter showers as well. Look to dry out by the afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures rising into the low 70s. Here's a live look at our Murabito camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. As you can see there too, the sunrise just happening, but still cloudy skies make it a bit difficult to see it, but still cloudy skies and rain looks to be the case for the morning hours today. Here's a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of rainfall, especially out to the eastern part of our area, primarily in between Little Falls, further west of St. Johnsville, and still further west of Cooperstown. This will be bringing additional rain showers. The actual cold front is still moving out from the west. As you can see, this is trending to the northeast right now. Heavy rainfall is still expected, especially in Herkimer County as well as Otsego County before the final chances of rain showers is from this cold front out towards Oswego and Syracuse. Once this moves through, looking ahead towards dry conditions for the afternoon and evening hours. Take a look at our comfort index today. We're pretty much warm and humid, very hot yesterday too. We look to cool down today, temperatures falling into the 50s for the tonight hours as well, but ideal conditions for the early afternoon. We're tracking in beautiful conditions for the early afternoon hours, temperatures rising into the low 70s. It looks to be the case between 1 and 5 o'clock. This will be the beautiful conditions today. Temperatures rising into the low 70s. A bit breezy, however. Wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. So definitely going to feel a little bit cooler today compared to what we expect yesterday. Now, overall, for weather grades, after some rain showers, early morning hours moves to mostly cloudy skies and then partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies by the afternoon and evening hours. A beautiful and cooler day is ahead. Radar and satellite, a cold front is bringing a lot of widespread rainfall, especially to most of our area. This didn't last from overnight hours, brought some rain showers and thunderstorms yesterday. After this, cooler and drier air is on the way from the west. We look to dry out as this moves further out to the east. Now, this is moving very slow because, once again, we do have a very strong blocking high pressure that is still out to the east. This has been in the area for the past week or so, so this will be continuing to make our weather slow. Now, this is good news as we head to the next couple of days. We're tracking much more drier conditions as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday. A few isolated rain showers, but still for Thursday and Friday look dry as well. On our Skycast, additional rain showers are expected this morning. After this, the cold front moves through, and you can see, look at that change in cloud cover, looking at mostly clear skies. Temperatures rising into the low 70s as we're tracking beautiful conditions, cooling down into the 50s. On the cooler side, with a few chances of rain showers in the early morning hours as we head into Tuesday. After that, dry conditions for Tuesday afternoon as well. Temperatures rising into the low 70s once again. We cool down back into the 50s with clear skies. And for Wednesday, early morning Wednesday, temperatures rising to the 50s. And tracking a few isolated possibilities of a few showers as we head into Wednesday afternoon and evening. Today, highs in the 70s with AM showers. The PM looks partly cloudy with a few looking at more dry conditions as we head into the evening hours as well. Temperatures rising into the 70s. A bit breezy as well for 15 to 20 mile per hour sustained winds. Tonight, lows in the 50s, mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, it's going to be beautiful as well. Highs in the 70s with partly cloudy skies, lower humidity, but still just a bit breezier. 7-day forecast looking to remain cooler for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Warm back up into the 80s as we head into Thursday and Friday. A chance of thunderstorms as we head into Saturday. Over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. A Florida mother has...
Take a look at high temperatures around the region today. Starting out in the North Country, temperatures are going to rise up into the mid to upper 60s. A bit mild today, but taking a look at very breezy conditions throughout the day today. Rising to the upper 60s heading to Prospect. In the Mohawk Valley, temperatures remaining in the lower 70s across the Mohawk Valley. Still a very mild and warm day today. Once again, still breezy in the Mohawk Valley as well as Southern Valley. Still very breezy for today. Wind speeds between 15 and 20 mile per hour sustained winds. Now, temperatures are going to rise a bit on the warmer side in the lower to mid 70s with New Brunswick 74 degrees, Hartwick 72, and Milford with 73 degrees. If you have allergies, today's going to be your lucky day. Heading into the next couple of days, too. Looking to be on the low side. Good news on the allergy report. Low levels for today, tomorrow, as well as Wednesday. The highest culprits right now still being grass, dock, and plantain. Now, if you're looking to get some yard work done, after the early morning showers today, looking to be on the good news front for Monday as well, for Tuesday, and as well as Wednesday, with looking ahead towards much more clear conditions as we head throughout the week. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. As the nation deals with the rising prices of gas, it's Monday, June 27th. I'm Gary Liberatore meteorologist. Eric Gage is in for Hannah today. And Eric, boy, it's been coming down hit or miss here for a while now.
Yeah, scattered showers brought some rainfall totals up over an inch in some areas as well. But thankfully, after the next couple of hours, look to dry out. The cold front moves through. We're tracking much more sunny conditions with temperatures rising into the low 70s with drier conditions throughout the rest of the day.
Good for us.
Let's take a look at our Yorkville battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Heavier rainfall amounts are still moving towards St. Johnsville, moving out of the Little Falls area. It's heading towards Cooperstown right now, and some additional rain showers will be heading over towards the Oneonta region. There is still additional showers coming in from the west. It's just trending to the northeast right now. After this front moves through, this will be bringing some much more dry conditions as this rainfall is the last of the rainfall as you expect later on this morning. Updated rainfall totals this morning. We are over an inch in some areas. Woodgate over an inch. Colebrook over 1.5 inches of rainfall. Herkimer with 0.72 inches. Old Forge with close to an inch, as well as Westmoreland. Lawrence still checking in with 0.5 inch of rainfall totals. Current temperature is 72 degrees in the Utica-Rome region. We're still tracking mostly cloudy skies right now this morning. Still isolated showers are still bringing some locally heavy downpours. Rain and storms will end this morning. Looking to be dry this afternoon with sunshine and a bit breezy as well. Less humid weather continues throughout the start of this week as well. Temperatures today rising in the low 70s. Tracking what to expect for the next couple of days coming up in your full forecast. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Decision 2022 early voting.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We are tracking scattered showers ending this morning. We're tracking much more pleasant weather this afternoon. Temperatures rising into the 70s with breezy conditions. Sunny skies across the board. Here's a live look at our Rabbito camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. We're seeing some low-level clouds right now. A lot of humidity still in the air. Rain showers slowly moving in from the west. It looks to be ending in the next couple of hours. Here's a live look at the Yorkville battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of heavy rainfall on this band of rainfall extending all the way from Speculator all the way down to St. Johnsville, Cooperstown, and Oneonta. This is bringing some brief heavy rainfall across some areas as well. Tracking additional scattered showers out to the west. The final round of rainfall, as you can see, this is moving up towards the northeast right now, is out towards Syracuse. This is the end of the cold front. And as you can see, right behind this cold front, dry conditions across the board as we head further out west. Now, after this moves through, the humidity will be falling, and we're tracking much more cooler temperatures as we head into tomorrow, especially tomorrow night. Here's a look at our comfort index. Now, the center of the chart right here is the ideal conditions for pretty much mild humidity as well as mild temperatures as well. Now, we do get into that ideal temperature, especially in the afternoon hours today with sunny skies. It's going to be a bit on the breezy side, but we do cool down. As you can see, the humidity does break as we head into tonight as well as early tomorrow. Around the clock today, the temperatures rise, but not too much today. Temperatures rise from the 60s up into the lower 70s to mid 70s in some areas today. Highs in the low 70s across higher elevations as well. Wind speeds, it's going to be a very breezy day today as the cold front moves through, pushing a lot of the air through the Mohawk Valley as well as other areas as well. Wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. Overall weather grades, after some early morning showers, the clouds look to break. We're tracking sunny skies across the board as we head in the afternoon and evening with wind speeds once again between 15 and 20 miles per hour. The bigger picture, We have a cold front slowly moving across the area. Now, after this moves through, we're tracking cooler and drier conditions moving in from the west. Now, there is moving very slowly because we do have a blocking high pressure out to the east right now. This is making the weather move very slowly. This has been in the area for the past week or so. Now, taking a look at our skycast, the next couple of days, we're starting out with rain showers this morning, but as you can see, in the next couple of hours, the rain showers look to break as seeing much more clear conditions. Temperatures rising into the 70s with sunny skies. A bit breezy once again, but after that, we cool down back into the 50s on the cooler side. A few isolated sprinkles tonight as we head into early tomorrow morning. Tracking dry conditions tomorrow as well for Tuesday. Temperatures rising into the 70s once again. We cool back down into the 50s and 40s. A bit chilly for Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning. Tracking mostly cloudy skies heading into Wednesday afternoon with additional rain showers possible later on in the day. Today, highs in the 70s with AM showers. The partly cloudy skies look to arrive in the evening with wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. Tonight, we cool down into the 50s and mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, highs in the 70s once again, partly cloudy skies on the mild side or 7-day forecast. We look ahead towards Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Highs in the low to mid 70s. We warm back up on Thursday to the 80s, even possibly reaching the 90-degree mark as we head into Friday before rain showers arrive heading into Saturday. Over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Groups on both sides of the Supreme.
Welcome back. If you're looking for sunshine, the cloud cover forecast the next 4 days is looking on the good side. After some early morning showers today, look to see numerous breaks for today as well as tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies are expected as we head into Wednesday before tracking additional mostly clear skies as we head into Thursday and Friday. Rainfall outlook on the rainier side this morning, but after this morning, things dry out, looking very beautiful with sunny skies. On the breezy side as well, 15 to 20 mile per hour sustained winds. We look to dry out once again for Tuesday. Additional showers are possible. We head into Wednesday evening for a return to dry conditions for Thursday and Friday as well. Now, wind speeds on the breezy side today, once again, as I said, 15 to 20 mile per hour sustained winds. Look to be on the less breezy side, still noticeable winds for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as we head into the rest of the week. Wind speeds picking up again as we head into the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Russia is now 27th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist. Eric Gage is in for Hannah and joins us now to help us plan our Monday ahead. And this morning, you might better have an umbrella with you, right?
Yeah, it's very, very rainy this morning. Now, the good news is the rainfall is looking to weaken. As you look at the radar behind me, things look to weaken. Additional rain showers are expected. Looking at me on the less heavier for downpours. As you look into the afternoon, evening hours, dry conditions, highs in the 70s with sunny skies. So only breezy conditions will be the only downside for today. Otherwise, a pretty much gorgeous day. Here's a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of the heavy rainfall, as you can see on our radar, is out to the eastern part of our area now. We're still tracking additional rain showers moving through our area. This right here is the cold front moving in from the west. It is now moving past Syracuse. Once this cold front moves through, we're tracking dry conditions right behind it with sunny skies and temperatures rising into the 70s. We'll be a bit on the breezy side heading this afternoon. Rainfall totals this morning, over an inch in Woodgate, over an inch in Colebrook as well, checking with under an inch at Old Forge, Westmoreland, and Herkimer, with checking with almost half an inch in Lawrence. Right now it's 72 degrees in the Utica Rome region. Cloudy skies, making way for partly seeing some additional scattered rain showers as well. Rain and storms will be ending this morning. Most of those storms did end way earlier this morning, especially out to the east. We dry this afternoon and less humid weather continues as we head into the early part of this week. Today, highs rise in the 70s with AM showers looking to end. We're tracking dry conditions this afternoon with breezy conditions, tracking what to expect for the next couple of days coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. South Africa is in mourning.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. Temperatures are rising into the 70s. Rainy conditions are making way for mostly cloudy skies and eventually partly cloudy skies and sunny conditions with highs in the 70s. Here's a live look at our Cooperstown camera. We're still seeing some light ponding and roadways. There's still possibly a few areas of flooding and poor drainage areas, but overall, the risk is looking to end as I take a look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of the heavy rainfall is out to the east now. We're still tracking additional rain showers, but as the cold front out from the west is moving through, you can see right behind that front, dry conditions. We're expecting dry conditions as we head into the afternoon hours today. Take a look at our comfort index. Over the next couple of hours, we're going to be in the mostly ideal conditions for the next couple of hours in the afternoon, and we head into cooler and drier conditions we head into tonight. So overall, our comfort index right now, we have a possibility of a few areas, especially throughout the day today, of highs reaching the 70s with lower humidity, a bit nicer as we head into the evening hours today. Scourge temperatures in the 60s and 70s, 70 degrees in Clinton, 71 in New Hartford, 67 in Verona Beach. Mostly similar temperatures across southern valleys as well. 69 degrees in Lawrence, Edmondson, Milford, and West Lawrence, with 68 degrees in Morris. Around the clock today, we warm up, but not by much. Only going to rise up into the low to mid 70s throughout the day, not reaching the 90s like we did yesterday. Wind speeds on the breezy side between 15 and 20 miles per hour, mainly in the afternoon and evening hours as the front moves through. As you can see, the front moves through right in the early afternoon or early morning hours to early afternoon as well. Temperatures rising into the 70s as well. Those temperatures in the clear conditions. Weather grades, after those clouds move through, you can see the clearing conditions from that cold front moving through. Skies, sunny skies in the afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures once again rising into the 70s. Radar and satellite, the cold front is moving across our area right now. This will be bringing cooler and dry conditions compared to the, over the weekend. Looking ahead towards dry conditions, they're still moving out to the east now. As we head in the next couple of days, looking ahead towards drier conditions with lower humidity throughout the day as we head into today, tomorrow, and even parts of Wednesday as well. Here's a look at what to expect this morning. Additional rain showers move out of the area. We're tracking drier conditions with sunny skies, highs in the low 70s with additional sunny skies, very breezy today. That cools down into the 50s with additional chances of additional rain showers in the early morning hours tomorrow. After that, similar conditions tomorrow, sunny skies, highs in the low 70s. We cool down again to the 50s and 40s, a bit chilly as we head into early Wednesday morning. We rise up once again back in the 70s with additional cloud cover and possibly a few additional rain showers as we head into later on Wednesday. Today, highs in the 70s with AM showers looking to end. Our PM is looking at mostly sunny with partly cloudy skies as well. Wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. Very breezy today. We cool down to the 50s overnight, mostly cloudy skies, lows in the 50s tomorrow. Highs in the 70s, partly cloudy skies. We continue to see on the cooler side of temperatures for the next couple of days. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, highs only in the low to mid 70s. You want to ramp back up again as we head into Thursday. Highs reaching the 80s between Thursday and Friday before we cool back down again in the 70s by Saturday and Sunday. Over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. A Florida mother has a warning for parents.
Back after rain showers moved through our area this morning, we're tracking sunny skies and breezy conditions heading throughout the afternoon. Let's take a look at high temperatures around the region today. Starting out in the North Country, we're going to be seeing highs in the upper 60s to mid 60s across some areas. 66 degrees in Inlet, 65 as well as 65 degrees in Beaver River. Across the Mohawk Valley, temperatures rising into the low 70s, 70 degrees in Utica, Whitesboro, Frankfort. This could be rising into the lower to mid 70s with sunshine, rising the temperatures even further up in the temperatures rising in the lower to mid 70s. High temperatures in Southern Valley still on the lower to mid 70s across some areas. 74 degrees in Gilbertsville, 73 in Otego, 73 in Oneonta. Once again, these temperatures could rise further up with the sunshine, but the breeze will make it feel a little bit cooler with wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. Now, good news on the allergy front. Today, tomorrow, and Wednesday both look to be on the low levels for pollen count for the next couple of days. The highest culprits right now is grass, dock, and plantain. Now, also as well, we're going to get yard work done today in the afternoon hours, looking to be on the good side, as well as for tomorrow and Wednesday. A few chance showers in the afternoon to evening hours on Wednesday, but still the chance of those showers are very low. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. As the nation deals with the rising prices of gas, 7 a.m. It's Monday, June 27th. I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Hannah this morning, joining us now to help us all plan our Monday ahead. And boy, those rains came down pretty heavy here earlier.
Yes, very heavy in the early morning hours. It's looking to weaken. Now, so far, the heavier rainfall is out to our east. Still tracking additional rain showers. Now, after this, it looks to dry out by the late morning hours, and early afternoon is looking sunny and breezy. So highs in the 70s. There's a live look at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Looking at wet conditions across some of the areas right now, the heavier rainfall is out to the east right now, out from west of or east of St. Johnsville, Cooperstown, and Oneonta. There's still additional rain showers. Now, the cold front is out just on the east side of Syracuse. And after this, we're tracking drier conditions later on this morning, timing probably between 8 and 9 a.m. Now, today, cloudy skies at 8 a.m. Looking at towards partly cloudy skies for the morning hours, temperatures rising in the 70s with breezy conditions, wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. We cool down into the 60s and 50s tonight with partly cloudy skies, breaking down what to expect for rainfall over the next couple of days coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Decision 2022.
Here's a quick 4-day forecast before we head out the door this morning. Starting out with sunshine, looking for sunshine. After some rain showers early this morning, the cold front pushes through. We're seeing a lot of sunshine with numerous breaks today as well as tomorrow. Similar conditions as well for Tuesday. We look to head towards Wednesday, mostly cloudy skies, possibly a few additional rain showers in the evening hours. Return to additional numerous breaks of sunshine as we head into Thursday and Friday. as well. And take a look at a rainfall outlook. After this morning, we're going to dry back down to rainfall not expected for later on this Monday. Dry conditions Tuesday. Additional rain showers are possible on Wednesday. A few rumble of thunder as well. We'll keep you updated on new information for that. It's a very complicated system to predict. Drier on Thursday. Looking ahead towards wind speeds, however, looking ahead towards breezy conditions today. Wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. We're looking ahead towards Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Still on the breezy side, but noticeably less breezy compared to today. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Groups on both sides.
Much needed rainfall across some areas with some heavier rainfall last night and early this morning. We're tracking an end of the rain showers heading into this early afternoon and evening. With temperatures rising to the 70s with sunny skies and breezy conditions. Here's a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're looking at dry conditions west of the Rome region right now. As you take a look at our radar, a lot of heavier rain showers currently moving into the Cooperstown, Oneonta region down to the south, as well as some areas moving out towards Speculator. And right now, additional rain showers still moving in from the Utica region as well. But after this cold front is out to the west, just west of the Rome region right now. Tracking dry conditions right after that with breezy conditions and sunny skies, highs in the 70s. Take a look at rainfall totals so far. Over an inch in 3 locations in Woodgate, Old Forge, and over an inch and a half in Colebrook. Checking with almost an inch in Westmoreland as well as Herkimer with over half an inch in Lawrence. Right now, temperature is 69 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with rain showers continuing, and we'll continue to see a drop in the dew point. It's already 67 degrees for dew point, and we'll be falling into the 50s as we head into today. Today, highs in the 70s with partly cloudy skies in the evening. Breaking down what to expect over the next couple of days coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Russia is now using airstrikes.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. Welcome back. We're tracking an end to scattered showers across our area with dry conditions as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Partly cloudy skies and highs in the 70s. Here's a live look at a Cooperstown camera overlooking the Main Street in Cooperstown. As you can see, rain showers looking to end. Mostly cloudy skies will make way for partly cloudy skies as we head into the afternoon. Here's a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of that heavier rainfall is out to the east, out towards Albany now. We are still tracking a few additional rain showers. Locally heavy rain showers brief down near Cooperstown and Oneonta, as well as additional rain showers moving through Utica right now. After this additional rain showers, we look to remain dry out to the west. You can see this line of the cold front. Dry conditions out to the west look to remain dry as we head in the afternoon and evening. Around the clock today, temperatures are going to warm up from the 60s into the 70s and remain in the low 70s throughout the day today. Sunny skies will make it feel a little bit warmer. However, breezy conditions will make it feel just a little bit cooler. Wind speeds between 10 to 15 miles per hour in the early morning hours and 15 to 20 in the evening hours. And overall weather grades after early morning showers make way for mostly cloudy skies and then partly cloudy skies to mostly sunny skies as we head into the evening hours today. The bigger picture, a very long cold front is moving through our area right now, and after this, we're tracking cooler, relatively cooler conditions compared to yesterday, as well as drier dew points, bringing lower humidity as we head into the next couple of days. Looking ahead towards the next couple of days, we're tracking a very lower chance of rainfall, not looking to see any widespread rainfall for the next couple of days. Taking a look at our skycast, after the rain showers move through our area, we're tracking much more clear conditions, temperatures rising into the low 70s. Warm and very breezy conditions today, falling into the 50s tonight with additional possible a few sprinkles in the early morning hours on Tuesday. Tracking mostly cloudy skies, making way for partly cloudy skies as we head into Tuesday. Additional cooling down into the 50s and 40s for Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning. Mostly cloudy on Wednesday with a few passing showers later on in the evening. A few rumbles of thunder are possible as well. Today, highs in the 70s after the AM showers move out of our area. We're tracking partly cloudy skies in the evening, highs in the 70s. Wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. Tonight, we cool down to the 50s, mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, highs in the 70s once again, a bit similar to today, with a bit less of the wind speeds. 7-day forecast, what to expect for today.
Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
A rainy one this morning. Rainfall amounts totaling near an inch in most places. Here's a look at rainfall totals across our area from this morning. Thankfully, the rain is ending. We're tracking sunny skies and probably cloudy skies throughout the afternoon with a pretty decent breeze. Here's a look at rainfall totals. Over an inch and a half in Colebrook, over an inch and a quarter in Clinton and Edmondson and New Hartford in Old Forge, as well as Gray, almost checking in with 2 inches of rainfall. So definitely some much needed rain across our area. Now, live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All that rainfall is now to the east. We are currently dry in our area right now. We're still tracking additional cloud cover and temperatures rising up into the mid-70s. Temperatures 73 degrees in the Utica-Rome region. We'll continue to see Drying conditions, especially with the dew point falling into the 50s, much more drier. Now, temperatures, partly cloudy skies, a breezy afternoon. Breaking down what to expect for the next couple of days coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Eric.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good afternoon and welcome back. After some pretty heavy rainfall overnight, we're looking at drier conditions today. Temperatures rising into the 70s with a decent breeze. Looking at towards some sunshine as well as we head into the evening. Here's a live look at our Marabito camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. Seeing some mostly cloudy skies, parting ways to partly cloudy skies. Temperature is already 70 degrees in the city of the hills right now. Live look at York Crow Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Looking dry in our area right now. Most of that rainfall is to the southeast of us. The cold front is behind us, and we're tracking much drier weather as we head into the next couple of days. Here's a look at what to expect over the next 24 hours for our comfort index. Currently, we're right on the edge of the ideal category for humidity as well as heat. We will warm up a little bit more and then cool right back down again tonight in the dry category. We'll be cooling down into the 50s tonight, a bit on the chilly side, but still some mostly cloudy skies, temperatures falling into the 50s with additional rain sprinkles possible as well. But overall, you see the trend. We are no longer in the humid category for the next couple of days. Scout temperatures this afternoon is 69 degrees in Ilion, Old Forge, and Cassville, as well as 67 degrees in Cassville, 71 degrees in Clinton, and 72 degrees in Mohawk. And looking ahead towards what to expect the next couple of days, starting out with the radar and satellite, the bigger picture, this cold front is now beyond us. This was a very slow-moving cold front, bringing some pretty intense showers overnight. Now, also, as well as this, tracking dry conditions as well as breezy conditions, all these the winds will be funneling down the Mohawk Valley as well as the North Country and Southern valleys. Most of us will be seeing breezy conditions. Now, after this high pressure will be squeezing its way up into the northeast, bringing us some pretty dry weather for the next couple of days. Just a few small chances of light sprinkles and showers. Taking a look at our skycast, temperatures are going to rise up in the low to mid 70s today, with looking ahead towards mostly sunny skies to partly cloudy skies throughout the afternoon and evening. We cool down into the 60s and 50s with increasing cloud cover overnight. A few chance of sprinkles, especially north in the northern part of Oneida County, as well as Herkimer County as well. This looks to dry up at the early morning hours. Tomorrow, similar to today, a bit less breezy too. Temperatures rising into the low to mid 70s. Sunny skies, and we're cooling back down again into the 50s and eventually 40s. A bit chilly as we head into early Wednesday morning. But as we head into Wednesday afternoon, increasing cloud cover, some additional rain showers possible as well. We rise up in the mid 70s to upper 70s, a warmer day on Wednesday. Good news on the allergy report front. For the next couple of days, allergy report is on the pollen levels are on the low side for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Look to remain on the low side for the next couple of days. The pollen counts are continuing to lower as we head across our area. The biggest culprits right now are grass, dock, and plantain. Today, highs in the 70s, decreasing clouds. It will be breezy as well, 15 to 20 mile per hour winds. Tonight, cooling down into the 50s, mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, similar conditions, a bit less breezy, partly cloudy skies. Our 7-day forecast. We continue to warm up throughout the week, reaching the 80s by Thursday and Friday. Our next chance of pretty significant rainfall as we head into the day on Saturday. Over to you, Katrina.
Why, thank you, Eric. Well, the Herc Eric Gage has your forecast.
It's breezy and it's warm today. Temperatures rising into the 60s and eventually 70s. Already 70 degrees in the Utica-Rome region as well as 70 degrees in Oneonta. Here's a look at what to expect over the next couple of days, starting out with June temps versus average. Now, right now, we are currently in a very average month for June right now. A bit of a couple of days of high above average, a couple of days below average, but overall a pretty average month of June. Now, looking ahead, temperature trends in our area look to be pretty average for the next couple of days. However, we're still avoiding a massive heat wave still down to the south. Areas near Dallas still seeing almost pretty substantial heat waves in the area for that time. Right now, temperature is 73 degrees in the Utica-Rome region. Dew point is slowly dropping. It's feeling a lot more dry, a lot less humid compared to yesterday. And today, we're rising into the 70s with decreasing clouds. It will be breezy, wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour, breaking down what to expect in the next couple of days, including dry weather up ahead coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good afternoon and welcome back. The story today, it's going to be a bit breezy, wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour with partly cloudy skies, temperatures rising into the low to mid 70s. There's a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica and Smith Hill right now. Still seeing temperatures in the low 70s right now. Is looking at much more drier conditions across our area. As a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Looking dry across the region right now. Most of that rainfall is out to the southeast for now. Looking to remain dry as we head in the next couple of days. Our comfort index for the next 24 hours, we're currently in the ideal category. Temperatures in the 70s. The breeze is making it feel a little bit cooler, but overall dry conditions throughout the day today. We're going to cool down and get pretty chilly tonight with dry conditions as well. Not looking to see any higher humidity for the next couple of days, at least until we head into the weekend. Overall, 24-hour trend is in the cool and dry category. Skywards temperatures this afternoon, 69 degrees in Gray and Old Forge, 67 in Cassville, 71 degrees in Clinton with 72 degrees checking in Mohawk. Pretty warm start out today. Temperatures are going to remain in the low to mid 70s. The bigger picture right now, the cold front has moved through our area. A lot of that widespread rainfall and heavier rainfall has moved to the east. So right now we're tracking breezy and dry conditions for the time being. Partly cloudy skies as we head into this evening. Now, a high pressure will be moving into our area from the southeast, be squeezing in and bringing us some clear weather for the next couple of days. Next chance of clouds and rain showers looking to be on the light side. Looking ahead towards our skycast, temperatures rising the lower to mid 70s today with partly cloudy skies. They're going to cool down into the 60s and 50s tonight, and tracking a few chances of isolated sprinkles overnight. This is due to an upper level trough bringing some moisture, especially upper level. If the lower level is dry enough, we're not going to be seeing any showers, but still a few isolated sprinkles, primarily north of the Mohawk Valley, northern Oneida, and northern Herkimer counties. After that, tomorrow is a similar conditions, a bit less breezy, but highs in the low to mid 70s with partly cloudy skies and once again a little bit less breezy. We cool back down into the 50s and eventually possibly reaching the 40s for Wednesday. A bit chillier with dry conditions as well. Warm back up into the 60s, 70s, and closing in on 80 degrees for Wednesday, tracking possibly a few additional showers. Once again, these look to be on the light side as well. There's still possibly a few rumbles of thunder, those temperatures rising up into the mid to upper 70s. Our allergy report, so far so good for the next couple of days. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, pollen levels are at a low count for the next couple of days. Grass, dock, and plantain being the highest culprit, so good news on the allergy report for the next couple of days. Today, highs in the 70s, decreasing clouds, going to be breezy. Wind speeds once again between 15 and 20 miles per hour. Definitely a noticeable breeze outside. Tonight, winds look to calm down, lows in the 50s, mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, sunshine, partly cloudy skies, and highs in the 70s. Our 7-day forecast, we quickly warm back up again as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. Highs reaching the 80s and upper 80s. We head into Thursday and Friday for next chance of rain showers Friday night into early Saturday morning. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Eric. A bison.
First look at the forecast tonight. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel in for Bill today. So good to see you.
Yeah, I felt like, my first day of summer break as a teacher.
Time to work.
Why not get back to work?
Time to get back to work. And you picked a great day to come to
Yeah,
work.
I mean, fantastic weather. I know it's the home stretch, of course, for the Boilermaker and for training for the Boilermaker. So tonight is the big run for, of course, Go the Distance. And for tonight, besides the wind, it looks like fantastic weather. Now, you're going to be dealing with breezy conditions throughout the evening hours, winds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. But at least it is not hot, and we're dealing with low humidity across the region as we go throughout the evening. We're at 72 degrees officially at Griffiths Park. That wind, again, out of the west-northwest at 17 miles per hour. Quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we go throughout the evening, again, it is going to continue to be breezy with temperatures in the low 70s, but I'll be tracking that wind for tomorrow coming up. Jason?
Jill, thank you. Community swimming pools and
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
Today is shaped up to be a beautiful day across central New York. Dealt with a little bit of wind, but we did see lots of sunshine, especially this afternoon. And speaking of sunshine, taking a live look at our CAV tower cam. Again, a few fair weather clouds out there for this afternoon into the evening hours, but we are expecting quiet conditions as we go throughout tonight and into tomorrow with comfortable weather. But the big story today was that wind. We are currently having a wind speed of 17 miles per hour in the west-northwest. Syracuse at 14 miles per hour, 14 miles per hour as well in Watertown. But as we go throughout the evening, and especially as we head into tonight, you will notice that decrease in that wind speed. So by tomorrow morning, we are waking up not only cool, but less in the way of wind across the region. And that is some good news. I know we've been dealing with windy conditions over the last couple of days. Now, as we head into tomorrow, and especially as we head towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you will notice light wind speeds across the region. So do expect that wind to decrease as we go throughout tonight into tomorrow, and especially for Thursday and for Friday across the region. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, quiet conditions across central New York. Again, clearing skies for this evening into tonight, all thanks to a large area of high pressure. So out to our east, you'll look back towards Boston, still raining, still dealing with that strong cold front that brought us the heavy rain overnight into this morning. But behind it, you will notice some clearing skies. So as we head into the evening and into tonight, high pressure is going to begin to move on in. Now, we can't rule out a few extra clouds for tonight into tomorrow morning, but for the most part, it looks to be dry, and that stretch of nice weather is going to continue as we head into tomorrow. And for most of the week, just a few hiccups as we head closer towards Friday. Dew points. Now, we're keeping a close eye on these dew points. We're already down to 50, which means our temperatures are going to drop as we head into this evening and into tonight. So on our Skycast for tonight into tomorrow morning, we're going to drop into the 50s for the valley locations, but look to our south, 46 in Cooper Sound, 48 in Norwich. So a cool start for tomorrow. Lots of sunshine that will help us warm up to near 70 degrees as we head towards the afternoon and into the evening hours. That quiet and cool weather will continue for tomorrow evening into tomorrow night, with a chance for a shower possible as we head into Wednesday. So for tonight, temperatures will drop back into the low 50s across the region. For tomorrow, a beautiful day, less wind. We will be near 70 degrees, and it's going to be a warm one as we head towards the end of the week. Yes, I put 90 degrees for Friday, as we do run the risk for a few thunderstorms as well on Saturday. Doesn't look like a washout by any means as we get towards the holiday weekend.
It's like you've done this before. I haven't done this in a while. Come on, you got this down.
It's you know, I was a little confused. I'm not used to that little bug on the bottom of the screen, so I'm going to have to move a little bit the next full weather. But we'll get used to it, guys.
We got you. All right, thanks, Jill. Welcome back. The Herkimer Chowdown. Meteorologist Jill Reel in for Bill. If you're just tuning in, yes, this is Jill. She is here following our weather headlines, and they've got to be good because what a beautiful today. A little windy, still beautiful day.
Yeah, and I know many people probably put their air conditioners on last night, so it's still humid out.
Yeah.
Don't need them tonight. Leave the windows open. You'll get that nice breeze as we head it towards this evening. Do expect partly cloudy and comfortable conditions as we head into the overnight. And that quiet weather is going to continue for tomorrow, and there'll be less wind as we head into Tuesday. And looks like most of the week looks fantastic with lots of sunshine. But of course, since I'm now an earth science teacher, we have to talk about astronomy. We are going to be seeing, again, a couple more days for the opportunity to see Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn early in the morning, so about a half hour before sunrise, around 5 a.m. You want to look towards the southeast. And the good news, it's almost a new moon, so the sky will be nice and dark to check out those planets. So again, for the rest of this evening, clear skies as we go throughout the next couple of days. A few showers are in the forecast. I'll track that precipitation coming up. Jason?
Jill, thank you. Millions of Americans.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
After all the rain we did see throughout late evening and overnight into early this morning, the weather is now finally to quiet down, and it's a beautiful evening despite the wind. A live look at our CAV tower cam as we are looking towards downtown Utica. Again, there are a few fair weather clouds out there for this evening hours, but as we go throughout the evening into tonight, some drier air is going to begin to move on in. So the cloud cover we are seeing for this evening will begin to decrease as we head into tonight with a beautiful day for tomorrow. On our Mirabito tower cam down in Oneonta, again, same story, just a mix of sun and clouds for this evening, and then quiet weather will continue as we head into tonight. So quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar as we go throughout the evening hours. Drier air is going to begin to move on in. Now there is a little bit of a secondary cold front to our north and to our west. That's going to sweep in to our north country as we head into tonight. Maybe a stray shower or two, but again, most of this evening into tonight is going to feature quiet weather, and that quiet weather is going to extend as we head into Tuesday. So you see the bigger picture, see the clouds up in Canada. That is that secondary cold front that's going to sweep in for tonight. Not really seeing much moisture with this, maybe a sprinkle again as we head into the overnight, but I highly recommend leaving your windows open for tonight. It's talking about some great sleeping weather as we head into the overnight and into tomorrow morning. The big story for today, the wind. We're still dealing with wind gusts right now, 26 miles per hour in Rome. Wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. The good news, that is going to diminish for this evening. Check out the wind speeds as we head into tomorrow. They are going to die down. We're going to see winds between about 5 to 10 miles per hour as we head into Tuesday. But for this evening, again, quiet weather. You will notice a little bit of extra cloud cover for the North Country this evening. That's actually going to keep your temperatures in the 50s. But notice down towards Cooperstown, Norwich, Oneonta, you're in the 40s to start for tomorrow morning. But as we go throughout the day on Tuesday, we will see a mix of sun and clouds, less wind. That is going to be a big factor, even though temperatures will only be in the low 70s as we go throughout Tuesday afternoon and into Tuesday evening. Now, Tuesday night, same story. We are going to be seeing some clearing skies throughout the overnight, so outlying areas outside of the Mohawk Valley, including Boonville, Inlet, down towards Cooperstown, you'll drop into the 40s. We'll be in the 50s for the Mohawk Valley to start for your Wednesday. Lots of sunshine for Wednesday morning, but as we head towards Wednesday afternoon, some clouds will move in. We can't rule out a passing shower as we head towards Wednesday evening. So your sleeping forecast for tonight, leave those windows open. We're talking about quiet weather as we head into the overnight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures will drop back into the 50s as we go throughout the morning hours. Tomorrow, fantastic weather, less wind. We'll be back to near 70 degrees for tomorrow. And then the 80s do return in a big way, especially as we head towards Thursday and Friday. Friday, we will be close to 90 degrees. We do run the risk for a few thunderstorms for Friday evening into Saturday, but Sunday and Monday look fantastic for the holiday. More news coming up.
Time now for a first look at your forecast at 6. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel in for Bill.
That's right, filling in for Bill on my first day of summer break, No rest for the weary, folks. But yes, fantastic weather outside for this evening. A little breezy, but that wind is going to subside, so that is some good news. So to expect comfortable conditions for tonight. Leave those windows open. It's going to be fantastic sleeping weather. We will see less wind as we head into tomorrow, and we're going to see a stretch of some nice weather as we go throughout the week ahead. We're at 71 degrees officially at Griffith Park, but notice that wind out of the west-northwest at 13 miles per hour. We did have some wind gusts between 20 and 25 miles per hour, but with quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, do expect plenty of sunshine for this evening. Again, still breezy, but I will be tracking those wind speeds coming up. Jason?
Like riding a bike. Thanks, Jill. New tonight at 6.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
We did see our fair share of rain overnight into early this morning, but now the sunshine has returned. A live look at our CAV tower cam. Again, just a few fair weather clouds on our CAV tower cam. Otherwise, quiet conditions for this evening. But the big story for this evening isn't the cloud cover or the rain that we saw overnight. The wind. It has been breezy throughout the day, and it continues to be breezy for this evening. So for you going for an evening walk or a bike ride, just be aware we are dealing winds right now between 15 and 20 miles per hour. But that wind is going to subside, especially after sunset into tomorrow. So tomorrow will feature temperatures pretty similar to today, but with that wind subsiding, it's going to feel much comfortable outside, and that will continue for most of the week. So the wind outlook, again, breezy conditions, no more. Light wind for tomorrow, for Wednesday, for Thursday, and even into Friday, as we are going to see a stretch of relatively quiet weather. There are a few chances for a few sprinkles as we go throughout Wednesday and for Friday as well. But again, for this evening, the weather does look quiet across central New York. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, quiet conditions across the region. All the rain that we saw last night has now pushed off to the east and will be out of pretty much New York State and into New England for tonight. That is that cold front that is bringing us some relief in the heat and humidity. Now, as we head towards this evening into the overnight, there is a weak disturbance to our north and to our west. That is going to clip parts of the North Country for tonight, giving them a little bit more cloud cover throughout the overnight and maybe a sprinkle, but for the most part, we will stay dry as we head into tonight and into tomorrow morning. Now, speaking of tomorrow morning, we're keeping a close eye on those dew points. Dew points are dropping into the 40s, which means the air is very dry. So once that sun sets, temperatures are going to drop pretty quickly into the 50s by midnight. By tomorrow morning, especially for the southern valleys where you're going to see more in the way of clear skies, starting off in the 40s, 50s for the Mohawk Valley and for the North Country. But tomorrow, lots of sunshine, less wind, and that is going to help those temperatures warm up into the upper 60s to low 70s. It's going to be a gorgeous day all across the region for tomorrow. So for this evening, again, for tonight, leave those windows open, give those air conditioners a rest. Temperatures are going to drop back into low 50s. Fantastic sleeping weather. For tomorrow, lots of sunshine, less wind, a top 10 weather day. Temperatures will be in the low 70s with low humidity. As we head towards Wednesday, an isolated shower is possible for Wednesday, as we will see temperatures in the 70s. But yep, near 90 degrees once again as we head towards Friday with a few thunderstorms. Jason?
Jill, thank you. And just to let everybody know, time now for a first look at the forecast. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel. Jill Reel, in for Bill. And I want to take a quick explainer here.
Yes.
Jill is filling in for Bill. Bill is off today. Jill is not back permanently. We'd love to have you, but you are a teacher now.
I am a teacher.
So we thank you for taking a little time to come in and help us out.
Yeah, today's day one of my summer break, and here we are.
So what else do you do?
What else do we do? But yes, help Bill out. And we have quiet weather, which is some great news.
Yeah.
Quiet conditions will continue for this evening across central New York, comfortable as well, so temperatures continue to drop. We are currently seeing less in the way of wind tomorrow, so that is some very good news with quiet weather for most of the week ahead. We're down to 65 degrees at Griffith Park, but I want to point out that wind now down to around 6 miles per hour, much quieter compared to this afternoon. Quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we go throughout tonight, leave those windows open. Fantastic sleeping weather as temperatures will be dropping into the 50s, but 90s are in the forecast. I'll tell you when coming up. Jason?
Jill, thank you. Decision 2022. Early
Dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
Starting off with quiet conditions on our CAV tower cam. We did see breezy conditions throughout the day today, but those winds have subsided, and now we're seeing quiet and cool conditions across central New York. A live look downtown Utica on our CAV tower cam. Now, the winds were between about 15 and 20 miles per hour, but now they're down to around 6 miles per hour in Rome, 9 miles per hour in Syracuse, so those wind speeds will continue to be quiet not only for tonight, but as we head into tomorrow as well. Quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we go throughout tonight, we are seeing that cold front slide to the east. There's still some extra cloud cover across the region. You will notice a little bit of rain way up closer towards the Canadian border. As for central New York, we will see partly cloudy skies as we head into tonight as high pressure begins to build in as we get closer towards tomorrow. Now, we can't rule an isolated shower during the overnight, but for your MoCast, as we go towards tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday, things are looking relatively dry. So on our Skycast for tonight, again, temperatures are going to be dropping into the 50s. Some outlying locations like Cooper Sound and Oneonta down into the 40s. So a chilly start for tomorrow. Any clouds in the morning will give way to lots of sunshine. Going to warm up nicely, very comfortable weather with temperatures in the low 70s as we head towards tomorrow afternoon with plenty of sunshine. That quiet and cool weather returns for tomorrow night. Now for Wednesday, we'll start off with some sunshine, but an increase in clouds as we head towards Wednesday afternoon. So your sleeping forecast, leave those windows open for tonight. Temperatures will be dropping into the 50s as we head into the overnight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, gorgeous weather as well. Temperatures will be near 70 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Again, less in the way of wind as we go throughout the day on Tuesday. Taking a look at the rest of your forecast, just a sprinkle or two possible for tomorrow. Otherwise, a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s. We're back into the low 80s on Thursday, near 90 degrees by Friday. Sports is coming up next.
First look at the forecast. We're bringing in meteorologist Jill Reel one more time, in for Bill, and we got like 5,000 phone calls tonight. Everyone's like, is Jill back? Is Jill back? Jill's just filling in. I mean, you literally just finished school, and here you are.
Yeah, my
working
last
again.
day was Friday, and here we are on Monday working.
Well, we appreciate you coming in.
Yes. Just filling in for Bill for the night. Don't want to confuse anyone.
Right.
But great night to fill in because we're talking about quiet weather. Quiet
Yeah.
conditions across the region for this evening into tonight. Very comfortable as well as you step outside. This evening you'll notice less in the way of wind. That is going to be our trend as we head into Tuesday as well. Most of the week does look fantastic. We are at 63 degrees officially at Griffiths Park. Again, that wind just out of the west at 7 miles per hour. Quiet conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we go throughout the overnight into tomorrow morning, leave those windows open. Fantastic sleeping weather as temperatures drop into the 50s. But there are some 90s in the forecast. Look at those temperatures coming up. Jason?
Jill, thank you. Decision 2022 early.
Dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Real.
Quiet weather continues for tonight as we take a live look at our CAV tower cam. Clear skies over the Mohawk Valley, pretty much across central New York for this evening into tonight. Now, we were dealing with breezy conditions throughout the day, but that wind has subsided, which is some good news. The wind right now out of the west around 7 miles per hour, but this evening we were seeing winds between 15 and 20 miles per hour, but that is not the case anymore for not only tonight, but as we head into tomorrow. You'll know our wind speed trend as we head into Tuesday, pretty much between about 5 to 10 miles per hour as we head into Tuesday morning, into Tuesday afternoon. So much quieter weather as we get into tomorrow and for the next couple of days. You'll notice on our wind outlook, we're seeing light winds not only for Tuesday and Wednesday, but for Thursday and Friday. Quiet conditions will continue for tonight into tomorrow morning on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. I am tracking a few clouds just to our north as you head up closer towards the Canadian border, but besides that, the weather looks to be quiet for tonight. Now, we can't rule out an isolated shower across the North Country for tonight, but again, most areas will be staying dry and getting on the cool side as we head into the overnight and into tomorrow morning. So if you want to take care of the lawn, again, quiet weather for today as well as for Wednesday and for Thursday. We do run the risk for a few thunderstorms as we head towards Friday and for Saturday. But on our SkyCast, again, quiet conditions for tonight. You will notice some areas will be dropping into the 40s by tomorrow morning. That includes Cooperstown as well as Norwich and Oneonta. So a chilly start for tomorrow morning with a little bit of cloud cover. Lots of sunshine by noon. That sunshine will be sticking around as we head towards the afternoon, keeping those temperatures in the 70s. And then another cool night as we head into tomorrow night. Temperatures will once again drop into the upper 40s to low 50s as we head into Wednesday. Some cloud cover will begin to move in as we head towards Wednesday afternoon. So again, for tonight, fantastic sleeping weather. Give those air conditioners a rest from over the weekend. We're going to see cool conditions, great sleeping weather with temperatures dropping back into the low 50s. For tomorrow, gorgeous, near 70 degrees, lots of sunshine, less wind as well. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast, a few showers possible late in the day on Wednesday. I do believe most of Wednesday will be dry with temperatures in the mid-70s, low 80s on Thursday, near 90 degrees as we head towards Friday. More news is coming up.